else have any questions?
I don't think so.
So just to go over again, yes, I do. Just to go over, like number 2 on the first individual preparation, the part 2, number 2.
Yeah.
On L11. When it says to use the confidence interval formula. What is that formula again? Is it the one that is t equals x bar minus u over s square root of n?
I gotta read through it again because I didn't write down what I did. Okay. Oh, I have it as the confidence intervals are the like the ones we were doing before with the x minus the z sigma over square root of n.
Mm-hmm.
So, but it's with this one where we don't know the sigma, we use the t star and the standard deviation that of the sample.
It's that one. Okay.
Yeah, so it's the x, like plus or minus the, and minus, I guess, the t times s over the square root of n.
Okay. I have it somewhere here. Oh, okay. So it's x bar minus t little s, or little asterisk, you said? Square root of s over n. Okay.
I have s over the square root of n.
Yeah.
Is that what you said?
Okay. Yeah, so if I didn't say that, that's what I was thinking.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay. All right. So that's what you would use for that problem then, and then you can just plug in the t-score. Okay, I think I got it then.
Yeah, because they give you your t-score. So
what is S? Where do you plug in for the S in that problem about investment property? Would that be?
Oh, go ahead.
Let's see. S would. That wouldn't be standard deviation, would it?
S is the standard deviation. It's just for the sample.
Oh, okay. So I would set it up 46.73 minus, let's see, t distribution, would t be 2.1448?
Yeah.
Okay. 1.448. Okay, and then this S is, what did we say that was? I'm sorry, that was 8.827 or 8.83? Yeah. You didn't round it though, right?
I just used the 8.827.
Yeah. Okay. And then the sample size is what was it? 15? Was it 15 of them? Yeah, 15 pieces of data. Okay. All right. I just wanted to make sure I was setting up those problems right. Okay.
Yep.
I can't connect on my laptop, so I'm on my phone.
Okay.
At least it's working. It's just too slow of a connection right now. Maybe I have so many things open, that's why all these. Okay. Okay, so can anyone explain in their own words what degrees of freedom mean?
Let me-
I mean, I read it in the textbook, but I'm just going over it so
Yeah.
I can understand it better with you all.
Sorry, I'm just trying something. Hey, what did you guys get for number 2?
I haven't calculated yet. I was just setting it up.
I've got 41.842 and 51.618. I was just gonna go check it against.
I'm setting it up wrong. Because did you do 46.73 plus or minus 2.1448 and then times 8.827 over square root of 15?
Sounds right.
Yeah, because I keep getting 68.11 and 77.89.
Okay.
Be right back.
The key says 41.8.
Yeah, so that's what I was looking at too. So
So you said use 46 points. What was it? 7. I gotta look at my own numbers here.
46.73.
Okay, 0.73 minus your
2.148.
yeah, which is times the 8.827 over the square root of 15.
Uh-huh.
Okay, that's weird. Maybe. Sometimes I have to do it like one operation at a time to get to do it right. Is
Yeah,
that?
maybe that. Did you get it?
Yeah, I have it. I have the 41.8.
Okay.
Hold on.
Okay, so that didn't work. So 46.73 minus 2.1448 4.582. Let's go 8.827 divided by the square root. Yeah, that time I even got it even further off. What am I doing wrong?
That's weird. So you did 8.827 divided by the square root of 15,
Mm-hmm.
and you got 2.279.
Yeah.
Okay. And then times by, what's that number again? Times 2.1448. You got 4.888, etc.
No, that time. So maybe that's where I'm messing up. Am I supposed to do 46.73? Is that correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
So 46.73 minus 2.1448.
That's not a separate operation. So you're doing it just like your order of operations. So you do the subtraction or the addition last.
Okay, so do I need to multiply? Okay, so I have the 8.827 divided by square root of 15 times 2.1448,
Yeah.
and then 46.73 minus whatever that answer was.
Yeah.
Okay, let me try that one more time.
That might be where you're getting off, because it's the x minus or plus the margin of error. So your margin of error is the t times the s over the square root of n. So it's considered like one operation.
Okay, so let's go 46.73 minus that. That time I got 41. Is that right?
Yeah, 41.8.
Yay, okay. Yeah, I was just doing my order of operations wrong. Okay, I understand it. Okay.
Very good.
And then to find the 99 or 95% or 99%, that's just in the app, right?
Yeah.
The BFS. Mm-hmm.
Like in these questions, they just gave us the answer, but would we be able to find that in the app that we can get,
I think. Oh, go ahead.
or will they always give it to us?
Find what part? The sample mean and the standard deviation? What part?
No, the
The t.
interval from the t distribution with 14 degrees of freedom is.
Oh.
Would they always just give us that number?
Um. Right now, I think they are, but I
Oh,
think if they gave us the t equals the x minus the population mean over
mm-hmm.
the standard deviation divided by the square root of n. So which is pretty much the z-score. It's just you're using a
Fine.
different sample or sample standard deviation.
Okay, cool. Cool. Alrighty. So then using the software, like we just plug that information in pretty much, right?
Yeah. For for this list of data.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I just like copied and pasted it into the SPSS.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
what I did. And then I figured out the standard deviation and mean that way.
Okay. Cool. Alrighty. Alrighty. Well, are you guys ready for the quiz? Or do you still have questions?
What about number 6 on part 2, and
Okay.
where it says state the null and alternative hypothesis for the
Yeah.
investment properties. So the null would be that the national average age of 47, right? That is the status quo. That is what's known. So
Yeah.
alternative hypothesis would be, well, how would I write that?
On that one, it says your keyword in the I don't know what you want to call it, story problem, is different. So he wants it different than the national average. So it doesn't say he wants it more than or less than or anything.
Okay.
So you just use the not equal,
Okay.
because it's just not 47. You don't know if it's more or less. It's just not 47.
That makes sense.
So look for those keywords is what you're saying when it says increase, less than, or that kind of thing. But when it's different, that means okay.
Yep. So different just means they just want to know if it's not 47.
Right. Right.
I think, Walker, you were saying about finding t. I think b is where you find t.
Okay, yeah.
So yeah, so they use it where you do it by hand, and then they also wanted you to use it during the software, using the software.
Okay, cool. Okay. And then for C, it says state the degree of freedom, and then
That's
CF
good.
equals 14.
Yeah.
So how exactly do we do that?
I used SPSS, so I might have to pull it up. Okay, so in SPSS, if you go to Analyze, compare means, and it says one sample t-test, it'll
Right.
give your t and your degrees of freedom and your p-value.
Okay. Okay, cool. All right. Well, that makes sense.
Yeah. So that's how you would get the t-score using the software, and then that's also where the degrees of freedom and your p-value is.
Okay, cool. Well, that makes sense.
So, Victoria, when you set up and you go through the steps in SPSS, when you analyze and you get to the t-test, you know where that little, and you select the test variable, the test value you put in right there is where you put the 90, you put in the 14, or what would be the test value?
Oh, the test value?
Yeah.
Your test value is your null hypothesis. So,
Oh, that's right.
because your hypothesis is always going to, your null hypothesis is always going to be equal to, it's a number equal to
Okay.
whatever it is, which in this case it's 47.
It's 47.
Yeah, because we were just saying,
Oh,
yeah, so the mean is equal to 47 because that's,
the average national age.
yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
I get it.
so you just put 47 in there. And then so it'll give you a T, and it'll say like DF for degrees of freedom. And then the one that says like sig two-tailed on it, that's your p-value. But that's a p-value if it's a two-tailed problem. But if it's, which is like this one because it's a not, or does not equal. And then if it's greater than or less than, you pretty much just divide it by 2.
Okay.
Is that too much information at once?
A little, but that's okay.
Okay. I'll stop talking until you're ready.
I'm processing it.
Sorry, I'm trying to.
Everyone got through all the comments?
What was that?
I'm sorry, we're talking over each other. Did everyone get through all the exercises then? The problems?
Yeah, I think we're ready to go.
Okay.
If there's no more questions. I'm trying to load my island, but for some reason it's taking a long time. I don't know why.
Yeah, I just went in to log back into it because it was on there, but it kicks you out, every like 5 minutes.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's taking a long time too.
Okay, so maybe it's not just my internet. Maybe it's just.
It might be iLearn. Didn't they have a problem last night too?
Yeah, it did. So I haven't even tried yet. I'm going to try now.
So maybe if it continues to have problems, we can just email Brother Papa and tell him, hey, we weren't able to get into the quiz because the island was down. And then maybe
Yeah.
yeah, because it just keeps saying this web page is not available.
Yeah, that's mine too. I bet it seems like they're having a lot of problems right now. I bet he'd probably be like, okay, yeah,
Yeah.
dumb I
Um,
learned.
Are you having problems with it, Elena?
Yeah, I am. It won't load at all.
Yeah, like my like the my BYUI thing gets up, but my
Yeah.
oh my island. Wait, let me see.
I had my island. Oh, it's not available.
So are you home for the weekend, Elena?
No. No, I'm just at a different apartment.
Oh, gotcha.
hmm I actually gotta go pretty soon too, and Island's not working, so I might just take the quiz myself later.
Okay.
We might all have to do that if there's problems. We'll just email the teacher.
Yeah, maybe we could get everyone's phone numbers so we could, if we like were to do the quiz by ourselves, we could just, if we have questions, we could just each other something.
I didn't get all that. Sorry.
Either it was putting out.
Maybe we could get everyone's phone numbers. Just so, like, if we're taking the quiz by ourselves, and if we have questions, we could text each other.
I would like that, definitely.
Yeah, that works for me.
Alrighty, so I can tell you guys my phone number real quick. Oh, hi, Elena.
Okay.
Yeah, mine just did that again. That's so goofy.
Yeah, mine's not reloading. I keep trying.
Okay, so my phone number is 480
480. Okay.
277 6968.
480-277-6968.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And then what's your phone number, Mindy?
Mine is 760 area code 868.
Okay.
Oh, you know what? I'll give you my cell phone number. I'm sorry, we're texting, right? 760-701-2140.
Okay, so I have 760-701-2140.
2140, yes.
Okay, perfect. Okay, and then what's yours, Victoria?
I'm 208.
Okay.
369
Okay.
3215.
That's an easy number.
Right?
369-3215.
Yep. I'm always like, people are always like, is that fake? I'm like, no. It's literally 321.
That's awesome. Well, cool. Alrighty. So yeah, so maybe we should all just email Brother Papa right now and just tell him, like, all of us, because I bet we're not the only people that are having problems.
Yeah.
But I mean, maybe it'd give him reason to let us take the quiz late if we continue, like if lots of people have problems with it.
Yeah.
So, okay.
Yeah. Even when you have to send in the video, he'll know that way too.
It's true.
Well, I can't send it in right now.
Post the video.
It's on iLearn, yeah.
Oh. Oh, okay. And that's right. You have to go through that channel. That's right.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we can do that.
Okay, sounds good. Well, Alrighty. Well, I guess we'll see each other on Tuesday then.
Yeah.
Yep. Victoria, are
Alrighty.
you going to be around this weekend if I have any questions?
Yeah, I should be.
You will? Okay.
Yeah, I should
Okay.
be. Now you have my phone number, so I should
Yeah.
have that on me.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
All right.
Have a good evening.
Uh-huh.
All right.
All right.
Thanks,
Take care.
guys. Bye bye.
Bye.